Are you ready to dive into the realm of video chat apps? In today's video, we uncover the blueprint to create your very own Azar-like application, revolutionizing digital connectivity. Have you ever wondered what it takes to develop a platform that connects people from around the globe with just a tap? The advent of video chat applications has revolutionized communication, offering seamless connectivity worldwide. We delve into the market trends and costs associated with developing an app akin to Azar. The potential for lucrative revenue streams and global user engagement in the booming video chat app market. The video chat app market has witnessed exponential growth, with a valuation of $4.2 billion in 2023. Projections indicate a staggering increase to $18.9 billion by 2030, exhibiting a robust CAGR of 23.9%. Recent surveys estimate the market to reach $1,509.1 million by 2029, highlighting the immense potential for growth. Factors influencing development costs to build an app like Azar. Several factors influence the overall development cost, including the app's complexity, desired features, scalability, and customization requirements. Cost considerations to build an app like Azar. The cost of developing a video chat app is contingent upon several factors. Features complexity. Basic feature development typically incurs costs ranging from $8,000 to $10,000. Operating platform. Integration with platforms like iOS, Android, or web entails costs ranging from $10,500 to $13,500. Development location and team. Hiring a development team across different regions can impact costs, averaging between $9,000 to $10,000. Must-have features to build an app like Azar. Key features essential for a video chat app like Azar include user profiles, real-time messaging, video calling, geolocation, and in-app purchases. Additional features RichestSoft offers to build an app like Azar. To enhance user experience and competitiveness, additional features such as filters, virtual gifts, language translation, and premium subscriptions can be incorporated. Why choose RichestSoft to build an app like Azar? RichestSoft offers unparalleled expertise and experience in developing sophisticated video chat applications. With a dedicated team of skilled professionals, cutting-edge technology, and a client-centric approach, RichestSoft ensures the successful realization of your app vision. In conclusion, the journey to creating a video chat app like Azar is both exciting and promising. With the market poised for substantial growth and a plethora of innovative features at your disposal, the opportunity to revolutionize digital connectivity is within reach. By understanding the cost factors and leveraging the expertise of a seasoned development partner like RichestSoft, you can navigate the complexities and bring your app vision to life successfully. Ready to revolutionize digital connectivity? Contact RichestSoft today and embark on your journey to develop a cutting-edge video chat app like Azar. Let's create seamless connections worldwide, one tap at a time. Visit us at richestsoft.com.